Welcome to Real3D Flipbook Shopify app. Let's create our first flipbook. We upload a PDF file or select from already uploaded PDF files. The file size limit is 20 megabytes. To use a PDF larger than 20 megabytes, you need to host the PDF on your server and paste the direct PDF URL in Flipbook settings. We give the flipbook a title and save it. In Flipbook Editor, we can preview our flipbook. We also get the direct link to our full-screen flipbook page. Here is our full-screen flipbook page, which we can open from any link or button on our Shopify store. Now let's add our flipbook to a store page using the app lock. We open the theme editor. By default, the home page is selected, but we can switch to any page or template. We add a new section, select apps, and add the flipbook embed app lock. Then in app lock settings, we select the flipbook that we have previously created. Now we can see our flipbook live in Theme Editor. We save changes and preview the page. Here is our flipbook published on the page. Flipbook Viewer has many options in the toolbar. Each option can be removed from the toolbar in the Flipbook Global settings. Let's explore the app lock settings. Besides the inline embedded display mode, we can use the Lightbox display mode. It opens the flipbook in full-page Lightbox overlay by clicking on a link or button. Lightbox mode is great for performance because Flipbook does not load until the Lightbox link is clicked. Link or button text can be customized. We can also select a different view mode. Let's switch display mode back to inline so we can preview different view modes quickly. Besides realistic 3D view mode, there is simple 3D, 2D, horizontal swipe, vertical scroll, and no animation with instant page change. We can also customize the viewer background. We can select from 3 predefined toolbar styles. And different toolbar layouts. More options for customizing the viewer are available in App Dashboard on Settings page. Here we can enable or disable any toolbar button, adjust settings for mobile, enable Google Analytics for Flipbooks, and more.